Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to sell your MacBook, fix major issues, or just start fresh, then factory resetting your MacBook Air is the best option. In this video, I will show you complete step-by-step process to safely reset your MacBook Air. Let's get started. First, this is the most important step: backup your data. Before resetting, make sure to backup your important files. You can use iCloud from system preferences. Here, go on your Apple ID. You can see your iCloud. Just take a backup on your iCloud, or if you have external hard drive, take the backup on your hard drive, or you can use Time Machine as well. Again, go on system preferences. You can see here Time Machine. Use Time Machine for backup, because once we reset the MacBook, all your data will be permanently deleted. Now the second step, sign out of iCloud. Now you need to sign out of iCloud. Go to system preferences again. Go on Apple ID. Now go on overview here. You can see here at the bottom sign out. Click on sign out. Now if you want to keep a copy, just click on keep a copy. Now enter your Apple ID password here. Then click on continue. As you can see here, it is signing out. This is a very important, especially if you are selling your Mac, because it removes activation lock, as you can see. As you can see here, now I have logged out my Apple ID from my MacBook. Now the third step, signing out of apps. Well, let's suppose you are using Messages or FaceTime or Apple iTunes, Apple Music. Just sign out from there. This prevents any account related issues later. Step 4, enter recovery mode. Now we move to the main step. When you press your power button of your MacBook to start your Mac, immediately press Command plus R button. Just hold it for a second, Command plus R button, until you see your Apple icon. As you can see the Apple icon on my screen. It takes few minutes. Now when you see a new examining volume, just leave your Command plus R button, and you can see on the bottom here disk utility on the new pop-up. Just select the disk utility and click on continue here. Now you can see here your hard drive on your left side. Just select your macOS volume here on the top, and now you can see here erase button. Click on erase button. Now select your format, APFS or whatever you want. Just click on the erase button and your MacBook will be reset. After finishing of your format, you have to reinstall your OS version. The OS version which will show on your Mac. I have to install Monterey. Just select this version and click on continue here. Then your macOS version will be installed. That's it. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.